Oh, a Spartaco Christmas. This is a good one. A Spartaco Christmas. 'Twas the week before Christmas at Spartaco HQ, where the saws were all sharpened and the orders came through. The warehouse was buzzing, the forklifts in gear, trying to wrap up the busiest time of the year. CEO Nick, jolly and bright, was checking his list well into the night. Tree tools, lineman tools, telecom too. We'll get every shipment out, that's what we do. Out in production, Mike and Greg led the way, keeping the crews humming all through the day. Check that pruner, test that pole. Let's make these tools tough and ready to roll. Over in sales, Alice and Lisa worked the phone, making sure no customer felt alone. Needed my Christmas? We'll make it appear, they said with a grin and a little reindeer cheer. In marketing, Jim had a vision so clear, a campaign called Trim the Tree, the Spartaco way this year. With taglines and sparkle and maybe some snow, they made sure our brand had that holiday glow. Meanwhile, Chad and Chris were calm but precise, tracking each shipment not once, but twice. Every box, every tool, every pole in its place. Let's finish the season with a winning pace. Then finance came in with a grin ear to ear. The numbers look great, it's been quite a year. And HR chimed in with cookies and cheer, saying you've all earned a restful new year. At last, Nick gathered the crew for a toast to the team that works hardest coast to coast, to those who climb high and those who dig deep, to those who make tools that help linemen keep the power on, the trees trimmed, and the signals clear. You make Spartaco shine brighter each year. And with that, the lights dimmed, the laughter rang out, as tools were lifted and cheers gave a shout. Merry Christmas to all, and to all hold tight. With Spartaco tools, you'll get the job right. Merry Christmas, everybody.